This is gonna be for a full-size bed. I'm gonna make it about 61 inches wide. All right, we've got our trim cut to size for the top of the door, and I think this just really makes it look like a finished headboard. When we're done, you can use a piece of crown, you can use a little piece of trim, whatever you have or whatever you like. I am going to attach this with some glue and my nail gun. A light sanding on any rough spots and cleaning. And then this project is ready to paint.